Question number 1. Which information is not conveyed by a balanced chemical equation? Right answer D. Whether a particular reaction is actually possible. Question number 2. In which of the following heat energy will be released? Right answer C. Burning of LPG. Question number 3. PBS react ozone to form lead sulfate and oxygen. Identify PQRS in the following balanced equation. Right answer C. 1414. Question number 4. In the electrolysis of water, anode. Right answer A. Has positive charge. Question number 5. Which of the following are exothermic processes? Right answer A and B. Question number 6. Ferric oxide reacts with aluminium to produce aluminium oxide and iron. The balanced chemical equation for the given reaction is Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives out Al2O3. Which of the following substances is oxidized in the given reaction? Right answer C. Aluminium. Question number 7. The change in the color of hammer from shiny to reddish brown indicates the process of oxidation, where the iron in the hammer reacts with oxygen in the air to form iron oxide, commonly known as rust. It indicates. Right answer effect of moisture on metals. Question number 8. Aluminium oxide react with water sulfuric acid to form. Right answer A. Aluminium sulfate and water. Question number 9. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to zinc pieces taken in a test tube. Right answer D. Small bubbles of hydrogen gas appear on the surface. Question number 10. In bags containing potato chips and similar stuff, air is quite often replaced by nitrogen. This will check. Right answer. All statements are correct. Question number 11. Meena took 5 ml of lead nitrate solution in a beaker and added approximately 4 ml of potassium iodide solution to it. What did she observe? Right answer. She observed B. Yellow precipitate was formed. Question number 12. When zinc metal reacts with sodium hydroxide solution on heating gas evolved. Right answer B. Burns with pop sound. Question number 13. To show that iron is more reactive than copper, the correct procedure is to. Right answer B. Prepare copper sulfate solution and dip iron strip in it. Question number 14. Which of the following can displace silver from silver nitrate solution? C. Both Pb and Mg. Question number 15. The given solution of lead nitrate in order to obtain a yellow precipitate must be mixed with. Right answer C. Potassium iodide. Question number 16. A student notices that bread kept in the oven has a green colored coating over it. After a few days, what explains the reason for the student's observation? Right answer A. The oil in the bread oxidizes. Question number 17. A student learns that food companies fill bags of chips with nitrogen gas. What is the purpose packing it with nitrogen? Right answer A. It prevents rancidity of chips. Question number 18. When an iron nail rubbed with sandpaper is dipped in copper sulfate solution, we observe that copper gets deposited. Right answer C. On the entire surface of the nail. Question number 19. The chemical reaction between copper and oxygen can be categorized as. Right answer C. Combination reaction. Question number 20. Why it is important to balance a chemical equation? Right answer C. To verify law of conservation of mass.